welcome to Timed Out Cricket. My name is Sahil. Today we are starting a new video series about the Women's T20 Challenge. We will be previewing all the 4 games that will be played at Sharjah. Today we are starting off by talking about Supernovas and Velocity. Let's start by talking about Supernova squad. If you look at their batting lineup, you can clearly see that they have really good Indian batters. Harmanpreet Kaur, Priya Punia and Jemimah Rodriguez. If we talk about the foreign contingent, they have Shashikala Sirivardhane and Chamari Attapattu as really good batters. Sirivardhane has been a Sri Lankan legend. She is the only Sri Lankan cricketer to score 1000 ODI runs as well as take 100 ODI wickets. Chamari Attapattu, we all remember Harmanpreet's brilliant knock against Australia in the 2017 ODI World Cup. But there was an equally brilliant knock played by Attapattu against Australia in that World Cup, where she scored an amazing 178. If we look at their bowling lineup, they have 2 of India's best spinners in the form of Poonam Yadav and Radha Yadav. Their other 2 foreign players, Shakira Selman and Ayabhonga Khaka, are both medium pacers. Khaka comes from South Africa and Selman comes from West Indies. If we talk about their other Indian players, then some exciting Indian players in the squad are Pooja Vastrakar, Tanya Bhatia and Anuja Patil. I am really excited to watch Pooja Vastrakar. Pooja has been in and around the Indian team for the last 2 to 3 years, and I am hoping that she will become the next big all-rounder for Indian women's cricket team. Now let's have a look at the Velocity squad. They are being led by the ever-reliable Mithali Raj. Their other Indian batters are Veda Krishnamurthy, Shefali Verma and keeper batsman Sushma Verma. If you look at the foreign contingent, then they have Lee Kasparik, who is an off-spinning all-rounder from New Zealand, and Sun Luz, who is a leg-spinning all-rounder from South Africa. They also have a very good opening batsman in the form of Daniel Wyatt. Wyatt, who didn't have a very good T20 World Cup this year, but she has loads of experience while opening for England. Their 4th foreign player is Jahanara Alam. Jahanara Alam is one of the best fast bowlers in the world right now, and she comes from Bangladesh. If you look at their bowling lineup, then they will be dependent on Shikha Pandey and Ekta Bisht. Ekta Bisht is the first Indian cricketer to take a T20 hat-trick. Also in the ranks is Manali Dakshini. Manali Dakshini is a young fast bowler. She comes from Maharashtra. And they also have the 16-year-old Murli Anaga. Murli Anaga hails from Karnataka. She has been doing really well in age group cricket, and it is expected that she will slowly break into the Indian team in the coming years. Now let's have a look at some key battles. One mouth-watering prospect that I am really looking forward in this T20 challenge is Shefali Verma and Poonam Yadav. Poonam Yadav is India's highest wicket taker in T20 cricket. And Shefali Verma, as we all know, knows only one way to bat, and that is attack. I believe it will be very interesting to see that how Poonam Yadav bowls at Shefali Verma. Another interesting contest that I am looking forward to is Harmanpreet Kaur versus Ekta Bisht. Harmanpreet, as we have seen at the start of her innings, is a little tentative. And I think it's very important for opposition teams to get Harmanpreet in the first 5 or 10 balls if they have to stop her. Another key battles that you can look forward to is Jemimah Rodriguez versus Shikha Pandey and Daniel Wyatt versus Anuja Patil. Anuja got the better of Wyatt in last year's T20 challenge, so it will be interesting to see how Wyatt faces up to Anuja. And now let's have a look at some youngsters that you should keep an eye on in this tournament. First up is Shefali Verma. Shefali Verma has seen an exponential rise in her cricketing career in the last year or so. A lot has been expected from her, and I believe she has come out with flying colours on all our expectations. From an Indian cricket team's perspective, it's very important that Shefali Verma continues this explosive form. Next is Pooja Vastrakar. Pooja is a bowling all-rounder. Primarily she is a bowler, but in domestic cricket she has shown that she can hit the big shots as well, and her batting style has been compared to Hardik Pandya. Some other youngsters that I am looking forward to watch are Manali Dakshini, who is an upcoming fast bowler from Maharashtra, and Ayushi Soni, who is an off-spinning all-rounder. And now, let's talk about match prediction. At least on paper, Supernova look a stronger team than Velocity. If you look at their bowling lineup, Radha Yadav, Poonam Yadav and Anuja Patil would love to bowl at Sharjah. If we talk about Velocity, then I think they will be overly dependent on Shefali Verma in their batting. Even in their bowling, they have a couple of good fast bowlers in the form of Jahanara Alam and Shikha Pandey, but their spin department looks a little weak. So for the favourites, I would like to go with Supernovas. And lastly, I would like to request to share this video with your friends and family. If you enjoyed the content, please like this video and subscribe this channel. If you have any suggestions, then please leave those suggestions in the comment sections.